Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of getassist.net, and in today's video I will explain to you how to use My Move feature on Tinder. So My Move is a new opt-in setting that allows women the choice to exclusively send the first message to their matches. Female users can access My Move through a toggle in their in-app settings. When enabled, My Move lets women reserve the right to start every chat on their own time. The setting can be turned on or off at any point. So let's see how you can make the best use of My Move feature on Tinder. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, so first of all you have to open the Tinder app, and here you will have to press the chat icon given at the bottom right corner of the screen, and at the top next to new matches you will see this option that says My Move. So currently it is off. It means that anyone can send you a message on Tinder that finds a match with you. Alright, any of your matches can send you the first message to start the conversation, but if you want that only you should start the conversation or only you should have the right to send the first message to that match, you can simply keep this option on. Alright, so simply tap on off, and this will ask you, are you sure you want to turn My Move on? My Move will apply to all new matches going forward. Alright, so the moment you will turn on the My Move option, from there only you will get the option to use this feature. Alright, before that, for any matches this option will not work. It will only work for those matches that will come after you turn this option on. So simply tap turn it on, and that's how you can reserve the right to start every chat on your own time. You can even turn it off anytime that you want. You can simply have to tap on, and it will ask you that, are you sure you want to turn My Move off? If so, any of your matches will be able to message you. Alright, so anyone can message you out of your matches. So simply tap I'm sure, and that's how you can turn it off. So that was all for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative and useful videos. I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.